So keywords, you can add up to 220 more keywords in the meta, or add up to 20 keywords. I already have 20 keywords, so I have no idea why that's yellow. Uh, Keyword relevancy to page content, 100%. In robots, we have 13 characters, and it says the search engine spider robots are allowed to spider the complete web page. So that's a good thing. When you have breaks in your web page and the web spider can't search it, then you're not going to be able to get your page up front like you want to. The value of the author tag is meta tags generated. That's these people here, and then I just left it in there. Page has less than 100 URLs. That is good because of less loading, less time. And then the size of your website is search engine friendly, so all the search engines should be able to hit it and pick it up. The web page load time is less than a second. So anybody typing in the search is fantastic, and it will load quickly. First one gets the worm, they say. The first early bird gets the worm. This is the other one, the meta checker, and this is pretty much the same basic information. And you just type in your URL up there and click on check. And basically what Net does, oh, I locked it up, but that's alright. But anyway, there we go. And it'll sit there and analyze it, and it'll bring up our web page. And it has a little meter. It was working earlier, but it's not now, so I don't know. Current server status will tell us our meta tags, how many of any, all of them, and all that. The keywords, 266. So we're doing good there. This is the meta tag analysis. The author, the description, contains no errors or check mark for being good. We have web page analysis, how big it is, and it loads under a second. And here's how the search engine is going to display my site if somebody types it in and I get a hit. It's ultralight bicycle camping. The advantage of having ultralight bicycle camping checklist is making sure we ... And then if a person clicks on that, then I get some traffic. On the Google Analytics, they have even mobile analysts, and if you're on an Apple or a Samsung or whatever device you're on, they even break it down to the point of how many people are accessing your site from an Apple phone or an Android or Samsung or whatever other phones are out there, and you can tailor your advertising towards those customers and plan your website towards those customers, because there's, if you have more iPhone users than you do Android users, then and they're hitting your website, so you want to tailor your website to more of an iPhone app than anything else, even though you still want everybody else to see it, and we will. So keywords is ultralight bicycle camping, and there's all my totals, and keywords found on the page, and it gives you a list in the percentages of all those. And I can sit here and look if I want to say, okay, which ones are the greatest and best in here, and is the greatest. Well, I don't really want the to be the greatest, but since you need that word, it's in there. But like bicycle and camping, those are my part of my title. So uh, those are relatively high. We want to get those a little higher, but that's okay for now since we are just starting. And it just goes on through the list all the way down. And this is all for free. I didn't pay anything for this, so they're doing this all in the hopes of uh, having me as a customer or having you as a customer. And this is my URLs and how many I have in my website. Of course, the least amount you have, the faster it loads, and less confusion and distraction that a customer or a person that's viewing your website will have. So that's all what I've been doing today. The other thing that I was doing, and if I can find it over here, and basically what I was doing is my, well, no, not there, might be over here. There it is. I have a new favicon. Favicon are these little emblems that are up here in your tabs, and if you click on mine, you'll see that I have a picture up there, and that would be this is my current favicon right here. I can't blow it up or anything, but it's basically a and you can browse. They have a lot of favicons. There's mine right there. Let's see if I can. It's loading now. There it is. And that's what I have as my favicon. And that's pretty cool. So that loads up in your tab. So this is pretty exciting to me for the day to get all that done, and we'll see how I do in the next week or two on my website, on my new website. So hopefully you have a great day, and hopefully you found this interesting. We'll talk to you later.